front of you. All large electronic devices turned off and stowed for landing. Double check and make sure seatbelts are securely fastened and also for our United EWR-LAX cabin. Please ensure that your shoulder harness has been fastened to your lap belt for us. We'll have you on the ground in just a few minutes in Los Angeles. Flight attendants prepare the cabin for landing and take your jump seats. Thank you. United Airlines, we'd like to be the first to welcome you here to the Los Angeles International Airport. The local time is approximately 5 p.m. It's going to take the captain a few moments to taxi our aircraft over to Terminal 7 at Gate 77 this evening. As sudden stops and sharp turns are all a part of our normal taxi, so we do ask that you remain in your seats with those seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please use caution when opening those overhead compartments. The items inside may have shifted during our landing, and most importantly, check around the seating area underneath your seat and in your seat back pocket for any of those small personal items that you have brought on board with you. If you do wish to use your cellular telephones, you may do so at this time, but all large electronic devices should remain off until you're inside the terminal. On behalf of all the employees here at United Airlines and your Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Newark-based crew today, certainly it has been our pleasure to serve you on board the flight. We hope you did enjoy the flight. We hope that you give us many more opportunities to welcome you aboard here in the friendly skies of United Airlines. If you're making connections this evening out of Los Angeles, you may check the United app or the television monitors inside the terminal. Proceed to your gate for departure. If you do have any questions about travel this evening or to any time on United Airlines, customer service counters are located throughout the concourse. Have a nice evening here in the Los Angeles area, wherever your final destination may be, and please Continue to wear your face covering over your nose and mouth for the deplaning process, as well as any time that you're inside the Los Angeles International Airport. Thank you and have a good night.